friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we'll be learning how to make a box from recycled magazines. Now Earth Day is on April 22nd, so I wanted to do a craft that would celebrate that by reducing and recycling. These magazine boxes are super versatile. You can use them to put your little knickknacks in your drawers and organize them, like paper clips, rubber bands, what have you. I like them for post-it notes because I have a lot of them, so I need a place to put them. But anyway, before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post a new video every single week, and without further ado, let's jump right in. To make this recycle magazine box, you're going to need one page from a magazine. First, we're going to take our magazine page and fold it in half. Rotate so that the opening is facing down towards you, and then fold the entire thing in half again. Unfold. And now we're going to work on the right side. So you're going to open it up with your right hand. So stick your hand in there and then push down. And then as you push down, you'll see that a triangle is going to form at the very top. So you just want to take one hand and push it down to create that triangle while holding down the magazine page with your opposite hand. Crease it in. And now take this left flap and fold it over to the right side. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. So we're going to lift it up just a little bit, stick our hand into the opening, push down to flatten, and then with our opposite hand push down as well from the very top, and then flatten to create a triangle. Now let's bring this flap over to the left side. From the top, it should look like this. Now we're going to align the vertical side of the right side to the vertical center line right over here. So you're just going to fold it straight across like this and crease it in. Do the exact same thing on the left side. So we're going to take the left flap, fold it over to that center line and crease it in. Flip it around and do the exact same thing on this side. We're going to take the right flap, fold it over to the center line and crease it in. Now you notice that there is a horizontal line right over here. You just want to take the top flap only and fold it straight up as far as it will allow you to go. Turn it around and do the exact same thing on the other side. So we're going to take this rectangle and fold it straight up as far as it will allow you to go and crease it in. Now let's take this tip over here and we're going to fold it all the way down to the bottom line here. So we're going to fold it down, crease it in, unfold, flip it around, and we're just going to reinforce that same crease that we did, just to make sure it's a nice strong crease. Crease that in and unfold. Now we're going to open it up by pulling these two sides in opposite directions and then sticking our fingers into the middle and opening it up like this. And your recycled magazine box is complete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy that, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. Leave your comments below letting me know how you plan to do your part to help the planet, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!